How to make a rotating announcement bar on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a rotatable or a rotating announcement bar into your Shopify store. So it is going to be very simple and easy. We are going to try out into two themes. The first theme, which is going to be the Horizon one, which is also the stock theme for all of the Shopify stores that you are going to open from now and then, because they have put that instead of the Dawn theme. And also for Dawn theme if you have been using Dawn theme and you didn't update. So we're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account. Once we have did that, what we're going to do next is going to head over the left side of the screen. Select from here on the sale channels online store. Now on the online store, we're going to wait for a few seconds until it is going to show up the online right there store. Now this is the new Horizon theme and this is the old theme Dawn. We're going to start the process within the Horizon one. We're going to click on Customize. Once we have clicked on Customize, we're going to find our new store, or our store and also the Shopify builder, store builder I mean. We're going to head over here. Click on the announcement bar and we're going to find that it is going to be showing up here the parameters of the appearances and also the time to the next text to show up. For example, we're going to put it 3 seconds or 2. So we're going to be back real quick. We're going to find something called announcement. So the announcement is going to be here. This is the first one. You can go ahead and add another block, which is going to be another announcement. This one, we're going to have it, welcome to the store. This one is going to be something like that. You're going to see that it is going to be a rotating announcement bar. So we're going to wait for it and you're going to see that it is going to rotate to the next one, till the end. And it is going to be in a loop mode. That was for the first theme. I'm going to leave the page and I'm going to show you to the other theme, which is going to be the Dawn. Between the two items or the two themes, there are going to be some difference. If you're going to click on the announcement bar here, as you can see, it is going to have the auto rotate announcement or the rotation, which is going to be just right here. So we can go ahead and click on the announcement, have our announcement here. We can add another announcement, which is going to be changed. Hey, for example. We're going to have it just like that. As you can see, it is going to rotate. So we're going to head over the parameters, change every 2 seconds or 3 seconds. And as you can see, we have some animation going on here. So as you can see, it is going to rotate just like this. Boom, just like that. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And I hope to see you soon on the next one.